Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking with you about State Street Bank, and more specifically I'm going to show you a few ways that you can order checks for State Street. So a check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then the person you are paying deposits the check. Once they've done that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing that you're going to do is open up your browser and type in the web address for the bank, for State Street Bank. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. I'm already on the website, as you can see, and the web address is right at the top of the screen, statestreetbank.com. You can also check out the description for the link to State Street Bank. So the first way to order your checks is going to be to log into your State Street Bank account online. So you're going to need to have a username and password. You're going to click on the login button, which is right at the top right-hand corner of the screen, and then enter your internet banking ID, and then you'll click log in. If you don't have that information, you can click right down here on enroll and then just follow the steps on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, you're going to click on banking options and order checks online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way is going to be to call the customer service number for State Street Bank. You should be able to find this number right on the back of your debit card, and you can also find the phone number on the website. It's really easy to find on the State Street Bank website. If you just scroll down a little bit, you'll see a phone number right there. You can try calling that phone number to speak with someone. If you happen to know another way to find the customer service number, be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will be an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way that you can order checks is going to be through a third-party vendor. To do this, simply go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for State Street Bank. So I've already got this tab open and I've entered in the search bar order replacement checks for State Street Bank, and as you can see, it pulls up a bunch of websites where you can order checks from. Carousel Checks, Checks Unlimited, CheckWorks, quite a few websites to choose from. And I do want to let you know to make sure you're aware that the security features and prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary. But if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for State Street Bank, be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy, because you're going to need to have your exact State Street Bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order checks from the State Street Bank website or through their customer service, bank account and routing number is not going to be automatically uploaded. You have to provide those numbers yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and make sure to check out the description for more information on State Street Bank.